How to upload videos to Google Drive from iPhone. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you upload videos to Google Drive from your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply open the Google Drive app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in using your Google account. Now on the home screen of Google Drive, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from that menu appears, select the upload file. Then select photos and videos from the option. Then browse your photo library and select the videos you want to upload. Then tap on the upload in the top right corner. You can also change the name of the video. So here I'm simply changing the name of my video and keeping it as a name of video only. Then tap on the upload option available there. The video will begin uploading. Progress is shown in the bottom bar of the app, and once finished, the video will appear in your Google Drive.